There's something missing from this image. Every time I come here, something gets lost or broken.
So I've spoken to the local garage, they've pointed in the direction of somebody else. I've now got, I don't even know what the time is, oh my god, there's a guy that closes at 3 o'clock in Amesbury, and he can print me a new plate, but he closes in 30 minutes time, so no time to waste then. Why is it whenever you're in a hurry you hit every red light and the green light lasts about 7 seconds?